Hi there. Welcome to Docents Digitales TV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're tackling an important topic, the most common mistakes English learners make and how to avoid them. Mistakes are a natural part of learning, but by recognizing and fixing these errors, you'll sound more fluent and confident in your conversations. By the end of this video, you'll know what to stop doing and how to correct your mistakes to take your English to the next level. Let's dive in. Common mistake 1. Mixing up much and many. We use much for uncountable nouns. How much water do you need? We use many for countable nouns. How many books do you have? Mistake example. How much apples do you need? Correct. How many apples do you need? Common mistake 2. Incorrect subject-verb agreement. For third-person singular subjects, remember to add s to the verb. Incorrect. She walked to work every day. Correct. She walks to work every day. This simple fix makes your sentences grammatically correct and easier to understand. Common mistake 3. Confusing in, on, and at. Prepositions can be tricky. Here's a quick guide. In for larger spaces or time periods. I live in New York. We'll meet in December. On for surfaces or specific dates. The keys are on the table. The meeting is on Monday. At for exact places or times. Let's meet at the cafe at 5 p.m. Common mistake 4. Using double negatives. In English, we only use one negative word in a sentence. Incorrect. I don't need no help. Correct. I don't need any help. Double negatives can confuse the meaning of your sentence, so try to keep it simple. Common mistake 5. Forgetting to use the right verb tense. Verb tenses help you explain when something happened. Past. I went to the store yesterday. Present. I'm going to the store now. Future. I will go to the store tomorrow. If you mix these up, your sentence can lose clarity. Here's how you can practice avoiding these mistakes. Tip 1. Write and review. Write sentences using the correct form and check for common errors like subject-verb agreement or prepositions. Tip 2. Practice speaking out loud. Say the corrected sentences out loud. For example, I have many friends who love reading. Hearing yourself speak helps you internalize correct sentence structures. Tip 3. Get feedback. Ask a teacher, friend, or language partner to listen and point out any mistakes. Learning from feedback is one of the fastest ways to improve. Let's recap the most common mistakes to avoid: mixing up much and many. Forgetting subject-verb agreement. Misusing prepositions like in, on, and at. Using double negatives. Confusing verb tenses. Don't be discouraged by mistakes. They're part of the learning process. The key is to identify them, correct them, and keep practicing. If this video has been helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docents Digitales TV for more practical and engaging English lessons like this one. By subscribing, you'll never miss a chance to refine your English and gain confidence in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.